Hi there, welcome to Dr. Tu Academy. This is a Java tutorial for beginners, lesson number 16. The topic of this lesson is packages. So what is package? Well, package is like a folder to our file systems. We use folder to organize files into different folders so we can prevent naming conflicts. We bundle the related items such as classes, interfaces, enumerations into different groups, and these groups are called packages. So how to use package? We learned that already. The package naming convention has to be lowercase and start with the reversed internet domain name so that it will be unique on the internet. There are two keywords, package and import. We use package keyword to create a package, and we use the import keyword to access another package. The most important built-in packages are Java, and inside the Java package we have the len package, IO package, and the util. It means utility package. Let's start the Eclipse. Click on Project Explorer. Let's create a new project for lesson 16. File, New, Project. Select Java project. Click on Next. Project name, lesson 16. Click on Next. Click on Finish. Module name, com.dr2academy. Java tutorial. Lesson 16. Click on Create. Now right click on lesson 16. New. Class. Package name. com.dr2academy. Java tutorial. Lesson 16. Main. To demonstrate how to use package, we are going to create two packages for this lesson. This is the first package, main, class name, code tester. Click on Finish. Let's create the main method, public static void main string args braces. Now let's create another class. Right click on lesson 16, new class. Class name, user. Package name, user. Click on Finish. Now we have created a new class, user. Let's add member variables. Private string, username, private string user password. Now let's add a constructor. Public user username is empty string. User password is empty string. Now let's create another constructor. Public user string name string password. Username is name. So we assign the parameter name to member variable username. User password is password. Here we assign the parameter password to user password member variable. Now let's create a method to do login authentication. Public boolean login authentication string username string user password pwd. If username equals parameter username and member variable user password equals parameter user pwd, system out print line user login success. Return true. Else system.out.println user login fail. Return false. Now we have created a class called user. This class is in the package lesson 16.user. Let's click on code tester here. Here we can see the code test class belongs to the package lesson 16.main. So what if we want to use the user class? Now let's use user class to declare an object. User as we can see, there is a red line underneath the user. It means it could not recognize the user as a class because the user class is defined in a different package. Here we define the user class inside the lesson 16.user package. So here we are in the lesson 16.main package, so it could not recognize the user class. Put the mouse on top of the red line. It tells you how to fix it. See, import user from this package, or create a new user class inside the current package. So let's import the user package. Import com.Doctor2Academy.Java tutorial lesson 16 user . What this statement means is we are going to import everything from the user package. Now you can see the red line under user disappeared. Let's create a new user object. So there's new user Alex. Password is AX12345 6. Let's do the login authentication for user object. Again, login status. User login authentication. AX12345 6. Now let's do another login authentication with different password for Alex. User login authentication Alex. This time we'll just use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's put a breakpoint here. Double click here. Click on debug button. The execution stopped right here. Let's click on step into. Now we are in the user package, also the user class constructor. Step over. So you can see the name parameter Alex is assigned to member variable username, and the password is assigned to the user password member variable. Click on next. Now we have created a new user object. Its username is Alex. User password is AX12345 6. Let's step into the login authentication method. We know the username member variable is Alex, and the parameter is Alex. So this condition is true. User PWD parameter is Alex is AX12345 7. The user PWD parameter is AX12345 6. it is the same as the user password. So the condition on right hand side is also true. Thus, this whole condition is true, right? The left hand side and the right hand side both are true. Then the condition is true. So let's step into it. Now it prints out user login success. Return true. So the returned value true is assigned to login status. So now it is true here. Now let's try the login authentication with different password. Step into. Here the parameter username is Alex and the user member variable is Alex. So this condition still holds true. The member variable user password is AX123456, but the parameter we passed in, user PWD, is 123456789. So the right hand side condition is false. Thus this condition is false. We will skip the if block and go to the else block. See? And we print out user login failed here. Return false. Assign false to login status. See, the login status is false now. As we can see, to use a class defined in a different package, we can use the import keyword to import from that package. And to place a class in different package, we just put the package statement on top of the class definition. Now let's take a quick summary of what we just learned about packages. Kind of like we use folders to organize files, we use packages to organize our Java related items such as classes, interfaces, and enumerations. We use package to prevent naming conflicts in our Java program. Remember, the package naming convention has to be unique and has to be lowercase. Normally, we use the reverse internet domain name to ensure its uniqueness. To specify a package, we use the package keyword. And to import a package, we use the import keyword. Many of the built-in packages, such as Java, Lang, IO, util, are very important in our programming. Our next lesson is generics, and we will learn what is generic and how to use generics. That's all for this lesson of package. I'll see you next time. Bye.